want to be? So let's go and meet.
Hi, I'm Chintu the monkey.
Hello, Chintu.
Hello, Lucy.
Chintu, why are you looking so sad?
I am sad because some of my friends are sad in the forest.
In the forest? What happened to them?
Do you want to know?
Yes, I also want to meet them.
So let's go to the forest. Come with me. So, see, these are my friends in the forest, and they all want to say something to all of you. So, here is Daisy the deer.
I am Daisy. One of the hunters have killed my brother. I am very, very sad. I am Bunny the rabbit. You know me? I am also sad. I don't have carrots left for me due to soil pollution. All the crops are dead. Now I don't have carrots to eat. I am Kitty. You know me. But you know, friends, I am also very, very sad. My friend Mitty is dead now because she was having breathing problem due to air pollution. I am Olu. You know, my friends, my nest is broken. My mama is dead. I am all alone. So, Chintu, I am also feeling very sad. I can understand how all the animals in the forest feel.
Yes, I hope you understand.
Don't worry, Chintu. I am going to share this with all my friends. And I am going to tell them that you all are sad.
Thank you, Lucy, for understanding all of us. I hope you will do something for us.
You saw how these animals were sad and unhappy. Friends, we should not only take care of us, we should also take care of all of them. Yes or no? So friends, I am going to show you something how we should take care of all the animals. So let's go and see how we can take care of them. So children, you know there are many animals. Yes. And you also know there are different types of animals. Like there are pet animals, domestic animals and wild animals. Like pet animals, we keep them in our house and they give us, a lot of happiness. Yes. And domestic animals, We keep them in our house and in our surroundings also. Yes, and they help us. And wild animals, what they do? They live in the forest or in the jungle, right? Now these animals, in one way or the other, they help us. So as human beings, it is our duty to take care of them. Yes. Now let us go and see some more things like what we can do to help them. Taking care of animal. Let's see how we can take care of animals. So now taking care of pet and domestic animals. Now if we have a pet, we should keep them clean by giving them a bath regularly. We should give them proper food, not our food but what food they need. Then we should give them vaccination, means we should give them injection which they need to keep them healthy. We should not overburden them with work. We should not use these animals like donkeys, horses and camels for carrying lots of load. So we should take care of that, and we should not tease them. We should not run behind them like some naughty boys and girls, they do that. We should not do that. We should not tease the animals like dogs, cats or monkeys. Okay, now how we can take care of the animals in our surrounding and forest, what we can do? Like we can make arrangement for food and water. As you can see, this boy has cut the old plastic bottle and put some grains inside it. So you children can also cut your old plastic cold drink bottles. You can put some grains and water for the birds. Okay, and you can also make a pit for cows and dogs just outside your house, and they can also come and drink and eat. And then you should keep your surrounding clean. If you make your surrounding clean, if you litter, if you put garbage all around, now the animals in your surrounding, your cats, dogs and cows, they also suffer due to it. So we should try to keep our surrounding clean. We should also try to lessen air pollution. Now we should stop or we should use less vehicles, and wherever possible we should walk and ride bicycles, because this air pollution also causes problem for the animals. Now let's go to the next slide and see what else is there. Yes, try to keep the water bodies clean. Water bodies means you should try to keep the lakes, ponds and rivers and seas clean. You should not put your waste in the water, because then the fishes and all the water animals also, they die and they suffer due to this. And we should avoid cutting down of trees. Now trees or the forest is the house for the wild animals. If we cut down trees, they also suffer. So children, these things you should do or you can do to help the animals. So even if we cannot take care of them directly, we can also do all these things to take care of them. Now children, nowadays, due to corona, nobody is going outside. We are not allowed. We are in a lockdown. But animals, they are not getting food. Some good people are also there who are helping these animals. So let us go and see how they are helping these animals. As you can see, all these slides, children, all the pictures, the dog over here, this person is, helping the dog, giving some food. Here also, these dogs are fed by some good people. Here, the girl is feeding the birds and the dog is also there. And here also some people are feeding the monkeys. So children, you can see, if we try, we can also make a difference. We can really take care of them. Okay. Now children, okay, you can also help the animals around you. You can take care of them. So take care of the animals. So children, you saw how we can take care of animals, yes or no? So children, always remember that animals, like human beings, they also have feelings and they are also important for us. So children, we should always keep this in mind, that we should never hurt anyone. We should not hurt others like all human beings, and we should not hurt animals. Now, as we feel for animals, animals also feel for us, and they also want to give a message to you. So here is your Lucy, and here is Chintu the monkey. Now Chintu wants to say that as we are suffering from corona, he and his friends are also wearing the mask. Yes. So if animals are following, you should also follow. Yes or no? So don't go out. Stay with your family at home. And if your mama papa are going out, always tell them to wear a mask. Okay. That's all for today. Okay. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.